Welcome back and Happy New Year's everybody. Let's finalize the Maxpedition series with the promised item remaining, the new front pocket organizer. My sample is the one in multicam, but there are other 6 variants to choose from, which I will link all for you if interested. This is really small, just 5 inch by 3.5. For reference, we have the smallest platy and then the latest Pico organizer, which kinda matches the same overall footprint. Also, this is the mini pouch in which resides my survival kit. Now let's see what we can fit into it. Unfortunately, the 125mm Cobra pliers are a bit too long even if you slide them in the back pocket, but the excess Cobras will fit. For specs, we have the same highly durable 500D coated nylon, YKK zippers with a pull string, and a keychain hook. There is also the neck strap, like we saw on the Platy series, which can be stored in the back pocket if not in use. Now the front pocket organizer has a front pocket, where a Leatherman bead sheet fits perfectly, for example. Now this is a Finex EO5 AAA mini torch, and that's a Leatherman flat bit adapter. Then in the main pocket, here is a Pioneer X Swiss Army knife, a 93mm variant, a mini Bic lighter, and a Leatherman Skeletor CX multi-tool. Then any compact torch should fit, like this Spera CST Mini. Or if you want a pocket knife like the Benchmade 940, which is very compact on its own, can fit in the front pocket or even the rear one. So yeah, I hope this gives you an idea of fitment, but let me know what would you fit for your needs. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.